Granny is sitting like a champ.
Yes.
I am loving this.
Nothing. Wait till AJ. He's gonna be like.
All right, Granny, when we going for the next one?
Right here on her leg.
Like I told you.
Granny, you gotta get the butterflies. Gotta get the butterflies.
I don't have enough fat.
We can make them small.
I was thinking an outline of a cardinal. If I get in your way, let me know.
Oh, no, you're totally fine.
Granny. Go, Granny, go. Hello from Newfoundland in Canada.
Whoa.
Wow.
Say hello.
Hello, Canada. Hello, everybody. I just appreciate all the support. It's amazing.
Granny is sitting like a champ, y'all. Hello from Bedford in England. Oh my God, finally, and lots of love from Germany.
I told you, it's just all over the world.
I told y'all we were doing this. Here we are.
Yes.
Aw, this person said they took a break from work for a second so they could watch. Don't get in trouble. Hello from Pennsylvania. Keep strong. You got this.
It's almost done. Thanks. That's cute.
Everybody says yes, finally. Oh, this person's from Maine. Sending love from Alabama. Hello from Australia.
Wow.
Aw. Hello from Spooky Salem. That's so awesome.
Are you alright if we skip the retro tag?
Say good morning.
Good morning.
Let's see that pretty tattoo. Are you proud of it?
I sure am.
Any regrets?
Nope.
Not a one, huh?
No. I said it was a piece of cake.
It looks like it's actually healing up pretty good.
It is. It's not near as bruised as it was.
No.
And it's starting to itch, so I know it's healing.
Yeah.
Yeah. And, yeah, I know they said, it was going to really hurt. I said it hurt.
Mm-hmm.
But it wasn't something I couldn't deal with. And I said, I've had numbing shots and stitches before, so, this was nothing compared to that.
Do you think you'll ever get another one?
Well, I got to go back and get this one finished because I bruised so bad that she didn't fill it in.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to go back and get my heart and my ribbons filled in.
Okay.
Yeah, so when we get healed, we're going back.
Yes, we are.
Yeah.
All right. Well, everybody, there it is. It doesn't look real pretty right now, but she's healing, and she's healing well. So.
And I'm very proud of it. I'm very proud of my family for their support and for everybody all over the world. All I can do is say thank you. It was appreciated. It's still appreciated. And it's really a lifelong memory.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
All right.
Dapatkan berita update dengan mengklik subscribe, lonceng, dan berikan komentar.